Hello children, today we will start one new chapter, chapter 7, festivals are fun. So festivals are fun are in your book, Gems English Reader, page number 42. So come to page number 42, there we will start one new chapter, festivals are fun. What is the meaning of festivals? Festivals means a day of celebration. So the meaning of the word festivals is a day of celebrations. So as it is plural festivals, that's why days of celebration. And fun means joy. So when we are celebrating a day, those days are very much fun. Those days are of joy. We enjoy those days, right? So here, this entire chapter is about conversation. So this is one new term word you are going to learn. Conversation means a talk. When you are conversing with your mother, you are conversing with your teacher, that means you are talking to them. So if your speech and the speech of the other speaker is written in form of writing, that is called conversation. So here 7 children are conversing among themselves. That means they are talking among themselves. So let's read who are there. They are conversing in the chapter. One girl is Dora, another is Alia, another is Abha, then one boy Onik, Jassi and Veer and Ravi. These children are talking about festivals. Okay, that means how they make beautiful, how they celebrate their festivals. What are the special things in the festivals? We will learn about the festivals and their enjoyment also. So first, Dora. Dora and her friends are playing. So in the picture, can you see the picture in your book? This is the picture that Dora and her friends are playing in the park, and there is also a puppy beside them. So Dora and her friends are playing. Now Dora is speaking. Okay. So whenever a person is speaking, in your book you can see their name first and then a colon. So that means this speaker is speaking. Dora. I will go home and help mummy bake a cake. So now Dora is telling her friends that she will go home and she will help her mother to bake a cake. It's a special cake. Alia. Why is it a special cake? Dora. We bake it for Christmas. Christmas is on 25th December. So, who is talking about baking a cake? Dora. She is going to help her mother to bake a cake. And Alia is asking that why is it special? Now Dora is replying to her speech that it is Christmas on 25th of December. That's why they are going to make one special cake. Why 25th December is celebrated as Christmas? We all know the reason, because this is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, the God of Christian religion. So the children think of the cake and lick their lips. That means their mouth are watering right now. They want to eat the cake. They want to have the cake, and their mouth are watering as if they want to eat the cake right now. So we all know cakes are very delicious, and we all want to eat it. Next, Abha. On Navroz, we make a special sweet called Ravo. So in Navroz is one kind of celebration. It is also one festival. We make a special sweet called Ravo. So in Christmas, special cakes are made, and in Navroz, special sweets called Ravo is made. What is Navroj? Navroj is a Parsi New Year. It falls on 21st March. So when is Navroj celebrated? It is celebrated on 21st March. On Navroj we decorate our house. What is the meaning of decorate? Decorate means to make more attractive by beautifying it. You can decorate with flowers, lights. So decoration means making more attractive. You can decorate your room, you are decorating your place, that means you are making more attractive your place. So in Navroj, Ava is celebrating Navroj by decorating her house and having fun with friends. Now Jassi is speaking. Festivals are such fun. I enjoy all the festivals with my family. There are so many festivals that are celebrated in India, like Durga Puja, Navratri, Christmas, and so on, which you will read in other section of the text. So festivals are such fun. I enjoy all the festivals with my family. We go to the Gurudwara on Guru Nanak's birthday. So Guru Nanak is also one of the most renowned figure, and whose birthday celebrated on Gurudwara. It is called Guru Purab. So whose birthday is celebrated and named as Guru Purab? Guru Nanak's birthday. Now come to Alia. Alia is a girl. Now she is telling, I love Eid. It comes after Ramzan. Ramzan is a month of fasting. What is the meaning of fasting? Fasting means you have to be very true to the gods without eating anything, without drinking anything. So during Ramzan, all your Muslim friends and their family fast. They do not drink and eat anything for the whole day to obey the gods, to present their love for gods, to offer their love for God. So they celebrate Eid after Eid. We give clothes and food to the poor at the day of Eid. We have a special sweet called Sivai. In Bengali we can also say at Simai. Okay. So Sivai is one special dish made after Ramzan. We wear new clothes. So they wear new clothes at the time of Eid. Now come to Veer and Ravi. Now Veer is talking about the famous festival which we celebrate, named as Diwali. In Bengali it's Deepavali. So the festival I like the most is Diwali. So Veer likes which festival the most? Definitely Diwali. It is the festival of lights. We decorate our house with candles and light. So we all know that everyone decorates their house with candles and lights. We have sweets, we wear new clothes also. So now see the foods and clothes. Foods and clothes. These are common in all religion and in all festivals. If you don't eat good foods, if you don't wear new clothes, as if your festival is not complete. Now come to Ravi. I love Holi. It is the festival of colors. We play with colored water. Holi is such fun. We love all festivals. So here we got everyone's point of view and we have learned who loves which festival. So students, I would like to request you to read the whole chapter by your own at home, and I will provide the question answers and the word meaning in your WhatsApp group. Till then, thank you. Have a good day.